Hi guys, you have already seen the review of the Seiko 5 automatic watch. This is the watch. I have bought this watch in June 2012. My father has used this watch. I have not used it, but you can see the wear of the watch. After 3 years of use, it's a simple watch, a dress watch, everyday use watch. Feels nice on the hand. Small watch, good for a small size wrist. Completely made of stainless steel. Dial is two-toned. I like the dial of this watch. Simple dial, 3 hands, date and day in the window. You can see the polish is completely messed up after 3 years of use. This will happen if you are not taking care of your watch. It has a hardlex crystal, not a sapphire crystal. So you can see the scratches on it. It's going to happen, but it will not break if there is a sharp impact on it like a sapphire crystal. This will only chip off from different places, keeping the dial, the watch watertight, at least for some time. It has a nice window at the back to see the movement. It has got a Seiko 7S 26B movement inside. It has got Lumibright lume on the hands, good enough to read for 8 hours after exposure to sunlight for at least 1 minute. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. Quite a nice watch. I like it. Now let's see some close-up shots of this watch. Now you can clearly see the scratches on the hardlex glass. When the watch was brand new, it was keeping an accuracy of 5 to 6 seconds per day, but after using it for 3 years, it had started gaining 21 seconds per day after keeping it idle on a desk. Now I have regulated the watch and now it is gaining only 4 seconds per day on the desk, while on the hand it gains only 2 seconds per day. Hope you like this review. This has been a long time use review of this watch. I'll be making other reviews of other watches which have been used for at least 2 or 3 years now. Stay tuned. If you like this video, share it. Thanks for your thumbs up. See you soon. Thanks guys.